Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix please check your connection Snapchat support code c14b. For example, if you try to log in into your account and if you put your password here, and after putting your password you can simply click on login, and after you click on login and after some time you find an error which is, as you can see, please check your connection and try again support code c14b. So how you can fix that error? First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply close the Snapchat. After that you have to close all the apps you have entered, you have opened. So what to do next? After that, what you have to do, you have to simply press and hold the Snapchat, and here you have to click on app info. After that, here you have to click on storage and cache, and here you have to click on the clear cache, and you have to check whether your problem has solved or not. If the problem is still there, you can simply go for the clear storage also, and you have to again check whether the problem has solved or not. After that, you have to check whether you have allowed data connection to your Snapchat app or not. After checking that you have allowed data connection to Snapchat, what you have to do, you have to simply check that the Wi-Fi you are connected is working properly or not. If it is not working properly, then what you have to do, you have to switch to your data connection. And after switching to your data connection, what you have to do, you have to simply again open your Snapchat. And after opening your Snapchat, what you have to do, you have to again put your password again, because I have already saved my password here. So I am going to click on that, and all my password and username will be put here. So I am going to click login again, and whether I will check whether the problem has solved or not. As you can see, my problem has been solved and I have logged into my account. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.